If you have recently purchased a Myvu from an online retailer, or maybe you've had your Myvu sitting on the shelf for quite a long time, the battery is most likely in a very deep discharge state and will not charge properly using a computer. It's indicated by the solid yellow light as soon as you plug it in to the computer. When you plug it in, the light goes yellow and stays yellow. What it should do is it should go solid yellow for a couple of seconds and then start blinking yellow for 8 hours to indicate a proper charge. If this is what's happening to your unit, simply pick up a USB wall charger with a 1000 milliamp hour rating on it. These are available at most electronic stores like Radio Shack, Best Buy, Walmart, or you can buy it from Myvu on the website. And then plug in your pendant using that wall adapter. And what you'll see, as we'll demonstrate here, is that the light will go solid for a second, then it'll start blinking yellow. Now on a wall charger it'll blink yellow for only 2 or 3 hours and then go solid yellow, indicating a full charge. So if your unit does not blink yellow while charging, then you need to use the wall adapter. That should take care of all your problems and you'll be able to use your Myvu with no problems afterwards.